Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to x plus 1. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 5 e to the power of 5s plus number 5. Next, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 5, and we have the integration e to the power of 5s plus number 5 ds. So the integration of this one, that should be about 1 over 5 e to the power of 5s plus number 5, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.